Hi, I'm Rika. I'm admission counselor at Alvatin Group. Today we will discuss about the one of the best leading university in Malaysia from MBBS, English medium, and it is the Northern State Medical University. The Northern State Medical University was founded in the year 1936 and it is situated in Arkangels. The university is the center of medical education in north of Russia. Northern State Medical University is authorized by World Health Organization, ACFMG of USA, and Medical Council of India. The students are eligible for MCI USMLE of USA or PLAB of UK exams after completing their studies from Northern State Medical University. Presently, there are around more students studying in North State Medical University. The university has up-to-date equipment such as computers, films, and video aids, and other modern appliances at Northern State Medical University. There are 50 departments, 27 of them clinical based, and are known to be the best clinics of the city. Since Northern State Medical University has good international relations, it takes an active part in the work of the medico-ecological program of various regions, bring up sweeping of specialists with the leading educational institution all across the globe. Based on Faculty of General Medicine, Faculty of Pediatric, Faculty of Nursing, Faculty of Postgraduate Education, and Faculty of Pharmaceutical. Northern State Medical University has 3 hostels within the territory of the university. One accommodation can be shared by 3 to 5 people depending upon the room's size. Each floor has 2 kitchens where students can cook their own. The continental food is available in the canteen Indian, Malaysian, Chinese, and Arabic cuisines. The hostels are completely under 24-hour security surveillance. This university has all the possibilities for students and lecturers to realize their aspiration. There is a dance group called Yacht, in which there are many dance forms such as pop dance group, a show ballet, an amateur theater, and a break dancing group. Also, there are various sport centers and fitness clubs. There are football, ice hockey, skiing, bicycle tennis, volleyball, and aerobics, martial arts, and much more. It is probably the best place for a refreshing jogging along the banks of North Fina River. The re-admission for MBBS in Russia is now available in Northern State Medical University. So if you can visit at Northern State, we can help you. Our team at Alvatin Group can help you out for provide admission to Northern State Medical University. For more info, you can contact our WhatsApp number and please subscribe this channel. Contact us and apply now.